Natural supplements and multivitamins for hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland, located in the neck, does not produce enough thyroid hormone. This hormone is responsible for regulating metabolism and energy levels in the body. Some common symptoms of hypothyroidism include fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, constipation, depression, and sensitivity to colds. The severity of these symptoms can vary from person to person. Treatment for hypothyroidism usually involves taking synthetic thyroid hormone medication, which can help to restore the body's levels of thyroid hormones. There are several causes of hypothyroidism, including autoimmune disorders, radiation therapy, surgery, and certain medications. In some cases, the cause may be unknown. Hypothyroidism is diagnosed with a blood test that measures the levels of thyroid hormones and thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, in the body. Hi viewers, this is Sarah. Welcome to my channel Sarah's Health and Beauty. In this video, I will tell you about natural supplements and multivitamins for hypothyroidism. Here are some natural supplements and multivitamins that may be beneficial for hypothyroidism. 1. Zinc. Zinc is important for thyroid hormone production and immune system function. Good sources of zinc include oysters, beef, and chicken. 2. Selenium. Selenium is another mineral that plays a crucial role in thyroid function. Selenium-rich foods include Brazil nuts, tuna, and sardines. 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to autoimmune thyroid disease, so getting enough vitamin D through sunlight or supplements may be beneficial. 4. Iron. Iron deficiency is frequent in hypothyroidism patients and can exacerbate symptoms, thus it is critical to get enough iron through food or supplementation. 5. B-complex vitamins. Vitamins B-complex are necessary for energy production and may help reduce fatigue associated with hypothyroidism. 6. Ashwagandha. This herb supports thyroid function and reduces symptoms of hypothyroidism, such as fatigue and weight gain. 7. Iodine. Iodine is a mineral that is essential for the production of thyroid hormones. However, taking too much iodine can worsen hypothyroidism, so it's important to talk to your doctor before taking an iodine supplement. Before starting any new vitamins or supplements, it's important to talk to your doctor to make sure they're safe for you and won't conflict with existing prescriptions.